next Friday for our Flip to Riches event.
I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check.
All right, guys, we got a couple guests already showing up early. I like people that show up early because guess what? They got more of my time. We can mix, we can mingle, but we're doing the event. Why? Number one, I want to teach people that it's super easy to do this, that you don't have to be smart, you don't have to be rich, you don't have to have money to flip homes and make a lot. Number two, by doing these events, we're building the network, we're building the relationship. And by building the relationship, guess what's gonna happen? We're gonna get more deal flow. And the third thing, guys, networking is hecka fun. So we wanna keep doing this every single month. Let's go.
For me, we'll see about it. We never see it when I get my feet up. 100 meters where I run the fee up. And go ka-ching and onomatopoeia. I had to re-up on a reel, so you stay the feeder. And put it back into the bit, cause I don't really need it.
I'll probably walk you guys through, but if you don't know who I am, I'm Brian Tran.
My name's Brandon Tran.
Yeah. So we're going to walk through the property and then we're going to walk our way through the back and we'll talk about the numbers. But as we walk through the property, I'm going to show you guys like what the end vision is going to look like and maybe some of the things that you probably didn't notice. We're going to point that out. All right. Just be careful. Yeah. Come on. All right. Let's try to get everybody in. All right. All right.
Under my belt, your art is an art, they don't feel it and nobody hears it. Initiative stay on the shelf. Your ego done got in the way. You gotta die today. It gotta go. You should be happy I lighten the load. The weight of your arrogance.
I know what it's like to not have money and it sucks. And this was my way out. So that's why I want to share it with you guys so that you guys can go out and make it and like basically live the life that you deserve. Like buy what you want, do what you want, but you got to put in the work.
I was in the same mindset. I thought I needed all this money to buy, $1 million properties and stuff like that. I even pulled a cash out refi for my current primary home just because I thought I might need it, but it's just sitting there right now. We figured out a way to do it with almost zero money out of our pockets.
He left like a $200,000 a year job, right? And look, the first year, it was a step back because he went from making zero. But sometimes in life, you got to take one step back to go 2-3 steps forward. Just tell him how much we're gonna make.
Okay, $600,000 on one.
Basically, what we did was we found the deal. We got it at such a good price that we brought it to one of our hard money lenders. And because they were able to underwrite the deal and they even realized we were getting at such a good price, they gave us 80% up front. So that's about $860,000. And then the other 30% we got from our investors, which covers the rest of the down payment and all the construction costs.
So we put 6 weeks of construction, 2 weeks to market, 4 weeks to close.
150 grand for 3 months. Pretty good, I would say.
How fast we can get in and out plays a big role because we're not flipping with any of our own money. You have to do homework. And so that's what I watch. We watch the days on market. We watch the what's sold. We watch how much month supply we have, and interest rates. My thing has always been, if I make the wrong decision, I make a quicker decision to change it, and you just got to keep pivoting. But that doesn't necessarily mean it's just like if you only gave real estate a try for a year and it didn't work out. It takes a lot longer than that. You know what I mean? Like my claim to fame was basically, I remember the day. It was July 2017. So I had been doing it since 2013, so 4 years to when I was finally like, oh shit, it's starting to click. So that's 4 years. So everybody's timeline is different. It could be 5, 6, 7, 8 years. But every time I talked to myself and every time I sat down there and I reflected, I was like, nah, this shit, I'm moving the needle a little bit. And then also sometimes you gotta realize like, yo, is it not moving because I'm fucking lazy? Or it's because it's just not my time. There's a difference, especially in real estate. You got one life to fucking make it. Are you happy with where you are? And if your answer is yes, keep doing your thing. Because not everybody should be an entrepreneur. I get that. But if you ain't happy with where you are, get your ass to fucking work. Let's go fucking make some money. And let's go live a better life. Because money ain't evil. Money ain't bad. Money is fucking beautiful. I'll tell you that right now. And money gives you freedom, options, and choice. I call it fuck. I love to fuck, man. Like, you know what I mean? Like, so try to do that. I don't know with COVID and shit, but. All right, guys, that wraps up the event. It was a great success. Met a lot of cool people. Got to really connect with people. And at the end of the day, got to share the message, share the story, share the possibilities of real estate and flipping to your riches. So I hope you guys got some value out of the video. I really appreciate you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.